Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to start. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug in if your battery is low so updates won't stop. Make sure you're signed into the right Apple ID in settings. That ensures apps tied to that account update. Now open the App Store and tap your profile icon at the top right. Once done, pull down on the screen to refresh available updates so you see the latest list before deciding which apps to update. You'll see available updates and a list of apps with version notes. Skim change logs to prioritize critical patches. Tap Update beside any app to install it individually, or tap Update all to run everything in sequence. This saves time and minimizes interruptions. Make sure large downloads occur over Wi-Fi. Go to Settings App Store to allow cellular downloads only if you have enough data. Once started, progress bars show status, so you can monitor each install. After updates finish, open a few key apps to confirm they launch and reflect new features or fixes. Check an Apps About or Settings page for the version number. If an update stalls, tap its icon to pause and resume, or simply restart your iPhone to clear temporary issues. If an app repeatedly fails, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, restart the device, then sign back in. This often resolves authorization or download.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.